Annie's I'm a Star. Annie's free position shots.
Okay. Are you doing another one?
Okay, ready?
Because it's a Shelly shot.
Ready, go. Goal number 23, Shelly Bohr.
Guess who's back? Stay.
Okay, stop.
Go. Goal number 8, Holly Cisneros. Goal number 49, Tessa Coiler. Okay. Sam Damon's goalie technique. Go. Kaylee Coleman's injury trick. Post-game interview with Taylor Morgan.
So Taylor, how do you think you did tonight? Well, I think I did pretty well, but I think we'd do a lot better if our mascot was a kitten. Wow, that's pretty interesting. What do you think you're gonna do after the game? Well, I'm definitely gonna go home and play with my kitten. Awesome, sounds like a lot of fun. So what do you think your post-high school plans are? Oh, well, I'm definitely gonna be a kitten breeder. Cool. Do you think anybody would, think you're the old cat lady? No, I don't like cats. I like kittens. All right, that's all.
Alicia, did you just drag your foot?
Yeah.
Okay, keep going. Alicia, did you just cause a turnover?
Yeah. Sorry.
Hey, Dare Bear, Master Air, can we get a pop, lock, and drop it?
I guess. All right.